morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Friday, December 7th. NJHS is sponsoring a Pie in the Face fundraiser to help senior Cale Kibler and his family as he recovers from surgery. Money will be collected during lunch in the office, starting now until December 13th. Teachers who are in the running are Mrs. Toole, Mrs. Curley, Mr. Stroud, Mrs. Miller, Mrs. Menchaca, Mr. Werney, Mrs. Fullington, Mrs. Nichols, Mrs. Noble, Mr. Dittmer, Mr. Lowry, and our principal, Mr. Johnson. Mr. Werney is in the lead and Mr. Johnson is in second place with less than $5 from first. As an added bonus, if you want to be the person who has the honor of shoving a pie in the face of the winner, buy a raffle ticket in the front office with Mrs. Grabner. Tickets are only $1. All money raised goes to Cale Kibler's medical bills. And now it is time for our daily trivia contest. Students and teachers can email their answer to paleymedia@paley.k12.in.us. The first person to get the answer right will be put in a drawing for a prize. Today's daily puzzle is Music Monday. We will play a song and you have to guess the title and artist. Here's the song. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria is serving up today. Seventh and 8th grade students interested in participating in the school spelling bee need to sign up with Mrs. Brown in room 206 by Friday, December 14th. The word list that will be distributed before Christmas break. The county spelling bee is in February. If you have any questions, please contact Mrs. Brown. LRCC robotics teams will be selling Starbucks coffee this Friday outside the cafeteria from 7:45 to 8:30. And now to Audrey with the Ram Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. Any junior high student interested in being a member of the wrestling team, the first practice will be Tuesday, December 11th from 3:15 to 5 in the wrestling room. Students will be required to have a physical on file with the office to participate. After practice, the varsity team will have a meet at home, and junior high wrestlers are encouraged to attend. The high school meet will begin at 6 p.m. Boys JV and varsity basketball both defeated West Washington on Friday. Saturday, varsity wrestling was away at Northview. Chad Warren was 4-1, Bryson Long was 4-1, Tanner was 2-3, Timmy was 4-0, Kaiser was 0-5, and JD was the champion with 5-0. The team lost 1-4. JV and varsity boys basketball won against Christian Academy on Saturday. Tonight, junior high boys basketball is traveling to Salem starting at 6. Junior high girls basketball will also be away at Eastern Middle School starting at 6. Back to you, Joni.
Yearbooks are for sale for $35 in Mrs. Nichols' room. You can drop off money in the office or in room 115. If you have any questions, please contact Mrs. Nichols. Make sure to cast your ballot for winter homecoming. Take a look at your winter homecoming candidates. The winner for today's trivia is Mr. Reckelhoff. Stay tuned for more trivia tomorrow. I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.